Hey everybody, Joe Casabona here, and you're about to see some clips from my live stream on May 12th, 2021, where I'm setting up WP Simple Pay on a shop I'm creating for my services. So this is about 5 minutes of clips from throughout the live stream. The live streams are live on that day and then they're unlisted. So if you want to catch a full live stream, tune in usually Wednesdays at 11 a.m. Eastern, but make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified when I do go live. I really hope you like this, and if there are live streams you want to see in the future, be sure to leave a comment below. And so the first thing I'll do is I will install WP Simple Pay. I haven't even done that yet. I did download the zip, so I'll drag that into the file uploader. Lower that a little bit now. And then I will click activate plugin. Also, if you're tuning in, let me say hello. Let me know and say hi. Where are you coming from? What are you looking to see? All that fun stuff. Now I I am going to have to do some activation stuff with this and Stripe. So I am gonna have to turn to my face for just a minute. Everything is validated. I'll make it a little bit bigger so you can see what's going on. Okay, so WP Simple Pay is installed. I have never used this plugin before. So this is like a first impressions video. This is what I like to use the live streams for. Kind of like first impressions. I'm trying stuff out. I want to see how it works. And then if it goes well, I will, I'll go ahead and do a more polished video review. So that's what I will call this. And one of the things that was really important for me was to have these terms, right? So if I click buy now, it goes to the FreshBooks payment page, but that's no longer going to be a thing. So form, embedded, overlay, or Stripe checkout. I like the overlay. Global. So I'll have to shore up the copy for all of this. Payment. So this will be so this will be test mode first. Add price. So I went with the more advanced version of. There's like a $99 version for one site and a $149 version for 3 sites. But then there's also a few other things that you can get. There's a few things that you can get, like subscriptions. So allow price to optionally be purchased, allow amount to be determined. So that's cool. So this is going to be embedded. So it looks like I create the payment buttons, and then it gets embedded in a page or a post. Which again, that makes sense, I think. Let's see if they. Well, I'll be curious to see if they support the Goots. They've got the short code here. Okay, so I've got $2.99. Let's just say like 8 to 10 minute video. Minute video. And then if somebody wants like a 10 to or like a 11 to 15 minute video, that's could be a little bit more, but I don't want to complicate things for right now. Email, pricing options, payment method, card. Okay, and checkout button. Stripe payment method settings. Okay, so I'm just going to, name would be good. I would like their name. Name, email address, and then I'm wondering if I could. I wonder if they have Zapier integration. Okay, just publish this for now. I'll go to the settings area. So Stripe account. Hopefully nothing. Okay. General taxes. No, these are just services, not products. Opinionated styles. I'm going to keep that on for now. Payment confirmations. Okay, so I'll need to... I guess this is the email. So I will add some personality to these. I think that's super important to do. And subscription with trial customers. Manage. All right, so there's no block for WP Simple Pay. Right. But so I will add this short code. So far I like this. It's really easy. You gotta put a little extra thought, but it's, you know, I guess you could do, so Alberto, going back to your question, you could do this with like Gravity Forms or Ninja Forms. Cause this, I mean, this is, they have Stripe and PayPal integration too, but I like the idea that I have a dedicated tool for it. Something that like specializes in this, and so I don't have to go build the checkout form myself with Gravity Forms or Ninja Forms. Plus, you know, there are things like subscriptions and things supported. So thanks so much for watching the clips from my live stream on May 12th, 2021. I hope you liked it. If there's anything that you want to see more of, be sure to leave a comment down below. And to get notified to know when I'm going live, of course, subscribe to this channel for more great content.